Today in this video I'm going to be doing a little short review of some makeup that I picked up. So I swung by Ulta and picked up some Dermablend. Can you guys see that? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Some Dermablend. I know, I'm so extra, y'all. Some Dermablend liquid foundation. So just a little quick backdrop. I have freckles and I have moles, and I love them, but sometimes I want to cover them up. And I have been on a journey trying to find some liquid foundation that would cover them up. And yeah, I haven't been really successful. But the other day I was in Ulta and this lady was telling me about this Demablend. She said people with hyperpigment skin and vitiligo and other things, they use it, so it should cover up my freckles. So what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm gonna do a quick review. I'm gonna wear it and then I'm gonna come back and do some errands and let you guys know what I'm looking like. So let's get into this video, and y'all let me know if y'all know any other makeup foundation that will cover freckles. I mean, I don't always want to cover them up, but some days I do want to cover them up. So yeah, let's jump into this video and I'll see you guys in a little bit to see what I look like. But right now I'm looking kind of lips chapped, eyebrows not done. Let's do this. Hi guys, I wanted to just hop in for a sec and just let you guys know a few things about the foundation. So I know I told you guys I got the foundation from Ulta. Sorry I didn't take you guys with me, but I did want to let you know just a few things about it. So it's lightweight. When I was applying it, it was really lightweight, so I really like that. I didn't feel like it was weighing my face down like the cake face. I also, wanted to let you guys know that the smell, there was no smell, so that's good. I mean, it didn't have like perfume or anything, so it was really nice. It didn't have a smell, so it was unscented. Also, so it covered my freckles, but it didn't like cover them to where I couldn't see them at all, but it did cover them a good amount. And this foundation, it really feels like if I was to let it sit and dry a little bit, that I could layer it. And if you guys have any other foundations that I could try, please leave them down in the comments below. Okay, you guys, so I am gonna run out, do my errands, come back and let you guys know how this makeup held up. You guys tell me what you think. Not too much. I'm back. Okay, so I have been out all day ripping and running. I put this makeup on at 11 this morning. Hi guys, so I did want to go ahead and let you guys know as well. So I did tell you I put the makeup on at 11. I took that makeup off at about 8:30 p.m. So I had that makeup on for quite a while. Just wanted to throw that in there real quick. Overall though, I think it held up pretty good to have it on as long as I did. I hope that this is helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. I've never used Dermablend, but I mean, I feel like it covered my freckles pretty good. And if you've got any suggestions, please, 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 I would love to play in another brand of makeup trying to cover up these freckles and moles of mine on days that I want to cover them up. So yeah, I thought this was pretty fun. I liked it. I hope you guys liked it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.